There are moments that we need to convince companies to be sustainable. 10 Million Hands is a platform where we try to raise awareness and educate consumers for everyday sustainable practices. 10 Million Hands has a merchants network from different industries, from food, fashion, accessories. Connecting those people can bring inspiration. Someone can also find solutions that could never be imagined before, even if the solution comes from another industry. We are trying with the right questions to make these people sit down on the same table, interact, and maybe come up with a solution or a collaboration. There are moments that we need to convince companies to be sustainable. The way we do it is by showing them data, because we are watching consumers, how they behave, how the new generations are behaving through their purchases. And we have also done consumer research where we see this trend. So we think that companies need to adapt.